Hi, my name is Scott McGill. I'm with Ecotone, and we're here at North Stirrup Run in Harford County, Maryland. We started this project back in 2015. The existing conditions here were very degraded stream with high bank erosion rates. Cattle and hoof impact were having a pretty significant effect on the stability of the stream. So the landowners wanted a project where they would be able to have this as pasture, but they wanted to protect the riparian area of the stream. So we designed a project that took into account the fact that this is an open field and that the sun would have a big impact on what happened after we were finished. The design included reconfiguring a whole channel in plan form and in profile. We designed it to handle the water coming from the catchment area. The discharge was about 75 cubic feet per second. During construction, we did use a less is more approach to the restoration, so everything that we use in the restoration, save for a few truckloads of rock, we found on site. We used sod to protect the stream banks right after construction, wood from an adjacent farm for some of the structures, and we salvaged a lot of the gravel that we put back into the stream as riffle material. We had a lot of issues with flooding and heavy rainfall during construction. We had a very small crew during construction. This project was built by about 4 people. We built it in the summer of 2015. This is 3 years later. You can see that things have vegetated very nicely. The width of the stream has slowly tightened to the point where now we have a really nice, stable, deep channel with lots of habitat. The pools are extremely deep in this system, and just 3 days ago we had an out-of-bank event. As you can see, a lot of the grass is laid down, so we're very happy with the results. But the landowners are very happy with what we've created here. We did put in farm crossings and an Amish fence to protect this area, but the cows still have the ability to get to the stream for water. We use it as an example for other landowners, what we can do, what's possible, and we'd just like to thank the Department of Natural Resources for providing funding for this project.